Hey STAT students, I'm going to first show you how you can download the SPSS files that you'll need for our 10 weekly discussions. To begin with, click on your desktop, right click on it, and you'll notice that down there you can see new. So I'm going to click folder and I'm going to call this SPSS files for weekly discussion. You can call it something shorter, but I'm too verbose. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my, where is it? Not that. Oh, here it is. Go to the DocSharing. That's one of the things you'll have to bear with me. I'm not using editing video equipment, so I might have a few ums and uhs in there when I'm trying to remember where I'm going. But anyway, this is, I've opened up the DocSharing area of our course, and if you go down to the bottom part, you'll see that there is a discussion board SPSS files. It's a zip file. So if you'll go ahead and click on it, and then click on download documents, and I'm going to go ahead and just save it. And I'm going to save it to my desktop as well. Alrighty. And when I click on it, there I can see all of the SPSS files that you can select from to answer your discussion questions. Depending upon the week and the topic, there are certain files that work better than others. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy these files into the folder that I created. So I highlighted all of those by having a shift and then just dragging over them. And then I'm going to, I right click and I'm going to go down to copy. I'm going to close that. And then now I'm going to open up my SPSS files that I had made earlier. You could see that the folder is empty. I'm going to click on it and then either do a Control Z, or what I did was I hit right click and I can go to paste, and there are all the files. So this way they're on the desktop for you to use without having to unzip when you need them for the weekly discussions. Now, another place that I wanted to show you is when it comes time for the graded projects. You'll see up here, there's a place where it says graded projects. If you click down on it, and I am in up there, oops, whoops. Oh, there we go. I apologize again. It has been a year since I've taught this class. So when I clicked on graded projects, there you can see all of the different projects that we'll be doing. We will have one for Unit 2, Unit 4, Unit 7, and Unit 9. So again, if you would like, and then also there's one for, there's a data set of statistics grades here. So if you want, you could go ahead and select these and then download the documents. I'm going to hit save again, and I'm going to save them to my desktop. And when I open it, I have my files. There they are. So Unit 2, which will be next week, will be the first project that we'll be working with. And you'll notice on this one here that it is a PDF file. It's asking questions, and then you're going to go ahead and use SPSS in order to respond to the questions. All right, another thing I wanted to make certain that I mention is going back to the SPSS files that we have here. If you do not have SPSS open, you will not be able to do anything with the files. So make certain that SPSS is open on your computer first. For example, if I click on this here, and it could have been because I had SPSS opened earlier, but there it is. There's the data, which it's looking at. I don't know what cotinine is, but anyway, the information that is involved in each of the statistics data sets is quite interesting. I look forward to seeing what you're going to be using here. And you'll notice how it says save contents of output viewer to output 1 document. You can, and then if you do, you could go ahead, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, but you can also save it to somewhere else. I haven't really done anything here, but that's just to show you how you can save. I hope this at least gets you started with how you can take and download the files that you're going to be needing through these next 10 weeks. And so when it comes time and you're stressed, you won't be wondering where you can find them. Just go to the DocSharing areas and download them to this folder that you've made on your desktop. Thanks, and if you have any questions, please let me know.